Alright, this is an unboxing of the Doctor Who Extraterrestrials Encounters trading cards. It says there's 2 hits per box. I've opened a few of these in the past, and that means there's 1 costume relic, which is almost worthless, and hopefully you'll get an autograph. Of the boxes, I've yet to get one I consider like an actor you'd really care about. Well, I just want to take this video to show anyone that wants to see an example of unboxing. I personally like watching other people see what they get. So here we go. Alright. If you're unfamiliar with the series or this collection, the basic cards are green, like this one. And then they have little subsets, like this features Cybermen. There's yellow variants. This one's got Missy featured on it. Set that a separate pile. And here's an example of one of the cards featuring a particular doctor. There's also ones with the companions. And another yellow variant. Skip ahead, here's the yellow variant. You almost always get one, unless you get something better. Oh, and I seem to have had my first autograph. Ooh. Now this is Michael Jaston. He played the Valeyard during the 6th Doctor's era. And since it's blue, that means there's only 25, I believe. It'll tell us on the back. Yep, this is the 7th of 25 of them. This is actually kind of cool. It's not one of the really big names, but it's probably the coolest autograph I've gotten so far. And they're also fun to check out their IMDb history to see what other roles they may have played. The autographs, that is. Twelfth Doctor. Another yellow variant. Now this is a blue variant. They are numbered on the back, which this is the 18th of 99. Sorry, my phone's a little old. Maybe as I get better at this, I'll have more resolution. They're kind of fun, but I mean, it's just the regular car with blue border and a stamp that says it's limited. At this point, I'm going to see if I can find the costume without even opening the packs. You can usually tell because it's so stiff. Oh, and I think I found it. You can see it, like it doesn't give as much like this does. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Yep, and it is a piece of Sally Sparrow's clothes. In this set, they started numbering them. This is the 262nd of 499, but it's really not worth too much because considering this is at least the second, probably third set that the same thing is in. They just figured out that now they can number it and make it seem cooler. And personally, I think the card it's on is a little nicer than the past ones, but that's all up to you. Actually, I'm not even going to open the rest because I've gotten my 2 hits and there's nothing really too much more exciting. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like me to order more and make more videos or not. See ya.